My name is Zack Kampf. My job title is campaign lead. So I'm currently overseeing two of our campaigns that we have. The first is of our campaign with Phalanx Defense, and the second is for our newest client. Their name is called Work. So normally I roll through the door around 9:15, get set up for the day, and then around 10 a.m. I start making calls for Phalanx Defense, doing follow-up calls to see how customers like their sample holster that we sent out to them. And then around noon to 1 o'clock-ish, I start calling over in Colorado, California, kind of the West Coast states for work. So Ian, Adam, and Brad are amazing bosses. I absolutely love working here. It's a very fun and playful work environment, and just a lot of fun.